Our topic is antigens. The term antigen is used in two senses. First sense, a molecule can create or produce immune response. Another sense is a molecule reacts with the antibody. Okay, so in general, the antigens are large complex molecule which induces the detectable immune response. So they are large complex molecule substance. So they can induce the detectable immune response also. An antigen is a substance that is specific to an antibody. So the antigen is a substance which was introduced in our body due to the substance which introduced in our body. So what has to be created? The antibodies has to be created in our body. Okay, so because of the antigenic substance was entered in our body, the specific antibody has to be created, or T cell receptor, and is often used as a synonym for immunogen. That is, or first one is specific antibody has to be created based on the antigen, or the T cell receptor. So antibody or the T cell receptor, and is often used as a synonym. That is, the antigen is the meaning for immunogen. Okay, immunogen means it creates the immune power like that. The histocompatibility antigens or cell surface antigen that induces an immune response leading to the rejection of allografts, that is histocompatibility, that is for what we can say when the grafting, like tissue grafting takes place, that is plastic surgery or transfer of heart or kidney. So that time there are some antigen, so which is seen in the cell surface, on the cell surface you can see it. So while that time it induces, these antigen induces the immune response. Due to this immune response, the tissue, that is there is no matching of the tissue. Due to that condition, the rejection of allograft takes place. Allografts, okay, like transferring the tissues from other part to another part. Immunogen. Immunogen is a substance capable of initiating an immune response. So same antigen is also creating the immune response, and immunogen is also creating the immune response. So only they say it has the meaning for the, that is synonym for the antigen. The immunogen is synonym, that is synonym to the antigen, or antigen is synonym for immunogen. Haptons. Haptons are the substance that are non-immunogenic but can react with the products of a specific immune response. So haptons are non-immunogenic. So they are non-immunogenic, but they can react with the products of some specific immuno response. So haptons, they are non-immunogenic. So they are not immunogenic, means they won't initiate the immune response. But they can react with the products of the immune response. So what are the products are creating during the immune response? That products the haptons can able to react. The substance that can enhance the immune response to an antigen is called adjuvants. So the substance that enhances the immune response to an antigen, that is the substance. There are some substance, no, which enhancing, which improving, which is giving a rich outcomes to active the immune response. Such substances are called adjuvants. Epitope is an antigenic determinant and is the active part of an antigen. So antigen determinant, the epitope, it is an antigenic determinant. So it is finding the antigen, and it is the active part of an antigen also. A paratope. So a paratope is the antigen binding site. So where the antigen going to bind means in the paratope only the antigen going to bind, and is a part of antibody which recognizes and binds to an antigen. So this paratope, it is an antigen binding site where the antigen going to join with the paratope, and where it is a part of antibody also. This part only recognizing the antigen, okay, antigen, and it will binds with the antigen. So from this part you will get 2 marks: immunogen, haptons and adjuvants, epitopes, paratopes. 2 mark questions will be appear from this part. Antigenicity is the property of the substance that allows it to react with the products of the specific immune response. So antigenicity, it is a product, that is, it is a property. So you have study about the physical and chemical properties in the chemistry, no? So like that, here the antigenicity is a property of the substance, that is the antigen substance property. It is the antigenicity. So it allows to react with the products of the specific immune response to create the, that is what it gives means, what is the function of the antigenicity means. It allows some of the products to react to induce the specific immune response. Types of antigens. So based on the origin, antigens are classified into exogenous antigen and endogenous antigen. That is, first one is exogenous antigen. So the antigens which enter the host from the outside. So from the outside the antigen enter. It is called exogenous antigen. That is microorganisms, pollens, drugs or pollutants. The antigens which are formed within the individual are called endogenous antigen. So blood group antigen, no? For A positive, that is for A blood group, B is antigen. For B, A is antigen, like that. Okay. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. I had given the Tamil video link in description box. You can go and watch it. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.